Welcome to your September Take and Make. I'm going to teach you how to make a butterfly with these included materials, plus you'll need to provide your own glue stick. So the first thing we're going to do is take this red strip of paper and we are going to fold a crease in it, but you don't want to fold it all the way to the top. You want to leave a little bit of space, like maybe 1.5 inches of space at the top. And we're going to fold it here to make a crease. Then we are going to unfold it. And now we are going to attach all of these 8 long and skinny pieces. And we are going to attach them all with the glue, and we're going to do it above this crease that we made. So I'm going to put a little bit. And I'm going to do one color at a time, but you don't have to do it that way. Pick any colors you want in a row. I just want mine to be symmetrical, so I'm going to do the same colors in a row. And you are going to want to do these sort of close together. As you can see, I'm not leaving too much space between them. Okay, and we have one more to go. Okay, so all of them are attached, and now we're going to wait a little bit for the glue to dry. Now that our glue is dry, we're going to add a little bit more glue. So I'm going to put a little bit down here on the purple, and now I'm going to fold this up and stick it back on its end like that, and it creates a little loop. And I'm going to do that for each of the strips of paper. This is what makes your butterfly's wings. Last one. Okay. Now that our wings are all done, I'm going to put some glue on this bottom part, and I'm going to fold it up to cover the wings, and that is the butterfly's body. Okay, now we're going to make the butterfly's head. So we're going to roll this piece of paper down a few times. There we go. I'm going to glue that in place. Okay, so that is your butterfly's head. Now it's time to attach our butterfly's antenna. So we're going to turn them over, put a little glue up here on the top, and then stick the antenna on, and just make sure that they're sticking up above his head. Okay, now we're going to turn it back over. And we are going to do the last step, which is to put on the googly eyes. These are self-stick, so you just have to peel off the back and stick them right on. You don't even need glue. And there we go. There is your finished butterfly. And I hope you had fun making them today.